My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of cases. I worked for IRS for 10 years. I just give you the information really that you need to do whatever you need to with it. I'm going to talk today about the CP504 notice. I was a former revenue officer. I did enforcing of IRS collection debt, so I know what I'm talking about. I've been on the national news many times. So you can look at my interviews at 777irs.com. Let me explain to you, what do you do when you receive a CP504 notice, what you should do, what your reaction should be on this. Really important that you really know all this, because IRS is ready to take action. I'm not an alarmist by any means when it comes to IRS, because I've done this so long, so I don't want to make you an alarmist. There's certain letters and notices that I've got to ring the firebell. This is a firebell notice that things will happen to you if you don't follow up and do exactly what that letter says. By the way, IRS's letters are all systematic, which means they're already computer generated. They're on a calendar clock. So a person at the other end of IRS, when you call them to resolve the case, they have to stop that notice clock and the levy clock and the seizure clock. So when you call, that person does that. So the CP504 is one of these notices that you need someone to stop the enforcement clock on. That's exactly what happens. So IRS is saying, hey, you owe us money, you haven't done nothing. We send notice after notice. Now keep in mind, some of you may not have even received the notices. IRS don't care. They send them to the last legal notice they had on file, and they're telling you that they're going to send out a bank levy, a wage garnishment levy, and or file a lien. They can contact neighbors, banks. They can do whatever they want. This is their official final notice that you owe them money. Then after this, they'll send you one more letter, and then boom, the enforcement starts. So what do you need to do? IRS needs to be called. I tell people this over and over. I usually make my YouTubes depending on, I'm just seeing if I got another YouTube, when they get this, when you get this notice, I don't know what happened. Something just exploded there that looked kind of cool. I don't know what happened. Maybe the Christmas, I've never seen that before. Maybe the Christmas tree blew up. Anyway, that is a neat special effect. Anyway, listen, you got to call IRS, but just don't call IRS. They're going to ask for a financial statement, and many of these financial statements lead to a high installment agreement with IRS. So if you owe debt, you can give me a call. I've been doing this for years. I've worked thousands of cases. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription. Please mine that CP504. It's a really important letter. My guess it came certified too. Thank you for listening. I appreciate your time.